but till now the fund has not been assigned. And after your mail on Saturday to DST authority, they have sent me a mail that for that for this time they have no fund, they have no fund in the TDB group, so they cannot release the fund. There is an apology mail. As soon as they will get the fund, they will disperse it. So this is the scenario. Thank you.
Okay, so please, another one.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana from Aizer Mohali. Actually, I joined in Feb 2023 and Feb 2024 it was my last fellowship, and since I think 10 month or 11 month I am not getting any fellowship, so it's pending. First thing is that, and second is even due to lack of funds I am not able to conduct any field work, especially in high altitude area. As you know, we have limited time periods or 3-4 months period when we can visit that place and collect the sample. So without fund, I think I am not able to do my research analysis and all. This part is also lacking. Even though I have published one review paper, so I have earlier data also, and few earlier samples I have collected and few paper are underlined, but just lack of fund, I am not able to pursue other analysis and all. So this is my concern, and all are facing, I think, same problem, like from joining and releasing of fund till, so it is continuous. We are facing 1-2 year sometime like that. So same problem I am also facing. Second important thing is, suppose I feel there is a disparity between male and female researchers in India in terms of especially fellowship allocation. Like DST or CSIR PDF, they are getting 80,000 plus HRE. But being a women scientist or women fellow, we are getting only 67,000 plus HRE. So I think altogether our consolidated amount would be like 80, not more than that. So this is my concern only, and thank you. Or maybe later we will discuss some other point also.
Okay, another one, please speak. Another one. Anjali, what's your name?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Please,
Am I
ma'am, speak.
audible?
Yeah, you are.
I am Priyanka Birla from CMET Pune. Recently, just last week, I received funds, but I'm here to support everyone to my group. Sir, actually, problem is this: the funds get delayed, and it get refunded by 31st of March. If we are getting for funds in the month of December, and I joined last year. This is my second year. If I'm getting my second year funds in December, how can I spend those funds by March? Because these funds we require throughout the year for different kind of analysis. We can't pay in advance because we have to submit the receipts. We have to do all the formalities, and our institute is not that supportive. So with this fellowship, we face challenges because we are getting delayed funds, and our admin or finance staff says that it's not our responsibility. Whatever your purchase, whatever your consumables, you deal with it, and they don't sign, they don't allow us on time. So because of that, we face a lot. Due to delayed funds, all the problems, like if they gives fund on time, we can spend it on time. But if they provide funds in December, so by March our finance means our admin staff doesn't support us to spend those funds. Well, we have to go through the indent procedure as it is a government, central government institute. So it's been difficult. And another issue, the fellowship number. I'm in second, means final year of my PhD, but the number of fellows they are selecting is decreased. So, in compared to the last selections before 2020 or 2018, 2019, the ratio was 60 40. Always it is a 60% or 60 40 always. But that time, out of 200, they are getting at least some 60-80 people used to get the fellowship. Now only 23-25 people are getting fellowship. So it is again difficult. One, the fellowships are very less, means very less fellowships are there. Like DST, DS Kothari fellowship is now not open now. अभी डीएस कोठारी बंद हो गया है, वो
Yes.
उसके फॉर्म निकले नहीं है, एनपीडीएफ का कुछ पता नहीं है, मतलब इतने सारे फेलोशिप तो बंद हो गए हैं। उसमें भी वाइस पीडीएफ या वोसा भी बंद है, वाइस पीडीएफ ही चल रहा है। वाइस पीडीएफ में भी उन्होंने नंबर इतना कम कर दिया है कि अभी, और जॉब्स भी नहीं है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि जॉब्स है, तो करे तो क्या करे। फंड्स, जिनका सिलेक्शन है उनको फंड्स नहीं है, जिनका अभी पीएचडी खत्म होके आगे पोस्ट डॉक करना है या कुछ करना है तो उनके लिए प्रोसीजर ही नहीं है। एनपीडीएफ भी बंद है, डीएस कोठारी भी बंद है, एसपीपीयू पीडीएफ के भी अलग, मतलब अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटी के जो पीडीएफ है उनके क्राइटेरिया भी बहुत अलग है। और इन सब चक्कर में, और ऊपर से जहां इंस्टीट्यूट में हम जाते हैं, वी आर लाइक अ टेम्पररी एम्प्लॉय, दे डोंट सपोर्ट अस, दे आर लाइक यू आर, आप टेम्पररी एम्प्लॉय हो, हमारी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, आपका जो भी परचेस है, आपका जो भी परचेस है वो आप देखो, हम आपके लिए बंधे हुए नहीं है। सो
जी।
वो हमें कोऑपरेट करते नहीं है। अगर हमारी फाइल हो रही है, मतलब हमारी फाइल प्रोसेस में है, तो वो फाइल साइड में रख देते हैं, बिकॉज आपका क्या ही है, आपके तो फंड्स टाइम पे नहीं आते, आपका तो मतलब क्या ही यूज है, तो वो हमें कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हमारे फंड्स भी डिले हो रहे हैं, और इन
I
सब
understand,
चक्कर
ma'am.
में
I understand, ma'am. Your concern is basically delay of bureaucracy. हम उसको
डिले
देखेंगे।
भी है सर, और ये भी है कि अगर फेलोशिप का नंबर कम हो रहा है तो वो भी एक हाईलाइट होना चाहिए,
ठीक है,
फेलोशिप
ठीक
का
है।
नंबर और नंबर ऑफ फेलोशिप्स। एनपीडीएफ का भी तब कुछ नहीं है, और ये बाकी जो फेलोशिप्स है उसका भी नहीं, और कुछ कुछ फेलोशिप जो डीएसटी की भी है वो परमानेंट एम्प्लॉय के लिए है,
ठीक है, ठीक
हमें
है,
तो कोई
मैम।
रेगुलर पोस्ट ही नहीं है।
हम उस
या
पे
या
बात
या
करेंगे, हम उस पे
या
बात
या
करेंगे। अभी हम
definitely.
अदर पर्सन से भी बात कर रहे थे, सो दैट स्लाइटली इंटरेक्टिव हो, फिर चीजों को आगे बढ़ेंगे स्लो स्लो। ठीक है, ठीक है। अंदर पर्सन प्लीज कम। सॉरी मैम। ठीक है।
Kalpana and Ruchi, please.
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Ruchi, and I have been selected as a woman scientist. Sir, actually, my project was under revision. When I applied, it's in June 2081, and finally, when I give my interview, it was on February 2023. After that, the result was declared, and it was found that my project was under revision. And after revision, I submitted within 15 days, and final result I got what in next February. It was almost 1 year after that I got my result that it was accepted finally recommendation. And after that, sir, when I got my final recommendation, they also, after submission of all the documents, up to 5 months, they did not process my file. I tried to call, but nobody will receive their calls. And after 5 months, when I call them once a while, they pick my phone. Then they said to me, "Why you have not submitted all the documents?" Then I said, "Ki I mailed a lot. Even within a month, I mailed 2 or 3 times to them. Ki I have submitted all the documents, and I don't get any option to submit my documents online. So I mailed all the documents, but then." I don't know, they realized that they have not taken care of that or whatever the situation. Then finally, they processed my file. Up to 5 months, it was not even under consideration. And after 5 months of that, then they processed my file. Now it's October 2024. After the processing of file, I got my sanction, and now it's delayed in budget release. I don't know, it is the more than 1 year. I just want to feel ki if they ignore like the revision projects or whatever they want, so immediately gives the result only that one is selected. Don't put it under revision because it is too much suffered. As I am working in a very good project, it's pollinator, and I got so interested in that, so I have submitted the project. Basically, I am a microbiologist, but the revision was under that they don't understand how the microbes will play a great role in the management of this bumblebees pollination. And आई जस्ट वांट टू से सर कि अगर आपका कोई प्रोजेक्ट रिवीजन में है तो उसको भी कंसीडर किया जाए और प्रॉपर चेक किया जाए। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि मैं फरवरी 2023 से लेके अब तक मेरा कहाँ 2024 भी खत्म होने वाला है।
yes.
So it's so panic to me because बीच में I have been selected as the assistant professor post in the private university. Then I request them कि sir you have not processed my file. Please allow me to join there as a woman scientist so that my job will be secure there because I am unemployment now. I have no employment, no job at all this time. I'm at home.
Okay.
And then they don't allow me ki no we are not allowing you and if you want you will reapply. Then I said sir I have worked so hard and now you are saying ki reapply. I don't know so but the option but I just you request you ki if they put any file under revision or they sanctioned it 3 to 4 months is okay, we understand ki there are so many files to process but it's not more than 1 year so it's too much, more than 1 year to wait for a project.
Yeah.
And there are so many problems we have faced. We have family also. Initially
It's
I was
very
very
panic.
excited sir ki we got opportunity ki we can we have ability to do something but like this scenario agar they are behave like this, don't process the files like this, then there is no area agar, if they think that ki files bahut zyada hai we can't process तो थोड़े ऑप्शंस कम कर दो इफ यू वांट 20 then do it 10 but do it positively sir na so no one will suffer.
Right.
Right. Okay.
अब whenever we call them मैंने उनको बोला भी कि सर मेरा बहुत डिले है मेरी फाइल थोड़ी जल्दी कर दीजिए आप तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं अभी 15 मिनट्स यू वेट। अभी मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी कॉल किया था तो दे टॉक टू मी सो बैडली आई don't want to say it but they behave like that whatever they pick the calls and it's not justice for a person especially for girls who work for their job with all the family and managing all these things.
It's not way to talk also. If the employee is talking like that, it's very bad.
उन्होंने बोला जैसे सर वो ऐसे बोल देते हैं कि आपके साथ नहीं है हम पे भी बर्डन है ये है वो सब बर्डन तो ठीक है हमें समझ आ रहा है बट इट कैन बी मोर देन 1 year ना सर आप एक
Right.
फाइल
I
को
understand.
प्रोसेस करने में 1 साल तो नहीं लगा सकते उतने में तो आगे वाले बच्चों ने भी अप्लाई कर दिया जो
Yeah,
स्टूडेंट थे।
that's right. And we will talk to issue and
अभी हाँ इन सबको लेकर हम बात करेंगे प्रॉपरली एक एक वन बाय वन। आई अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स।
yeah, Dr. Kalpana, please move forward.
Please move on.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, ma'am. You are audible. Please.
My name is Dr. Preeti Garg. I am from Punjab University Chemistry Department. The same problem with me. Also, I applied in 2021, interview in 2022, first section in 2023, and now wait for second section till 8 months pass, but I have not respond. I have not get any response from the DST. I mailed so many times, calls. Even I called on Friday. They said we have sent your file in a finance ministry, but not getting. I also called the Shubham Goyal sir. He said right now he is not with the part of the boss. So he said I am not able to answer your calls. Anything else? I have also their personal number, but he denied on their personal number calls. So I just off their. Even I have a contact with. There is also another Pratishtha Pandey ma'am in a DST. I have also called her to respond to ask anything about Vanda ma'am. She also said ki Vanda ma'am not giving any response to any person in DST also. She's too young, so she can't give any responses. She said we have a number of files. They are in a finance ministry. They are in the under the processing everything. But I didn't get any response from any person. Even last year for first grant, I was visiting in the DST. मेरी फर्स्ट ईयर की ग्रांट भी पूरा 1 साल हो गया था नहीं आई थी। मैं पर्सनली DST गई थी बिकॉज आई हैव कॉन्टेक्ट विद देयर सम पर्सन्स। जाने के बाद मैंने उनसे पर्सनली बात करी, सब कुछ किया, देन उन्होंने 1 साल बाद मुझे मेरी फर्स्ट फेलोशिप आई थी। अब नाउ अगेन सेकंड ईयर ग्रांट के लिए 8 मंथ पास हो गए हैं, बट कोई इशू नहीं, कोई मतलब कि वहां पर किसी को कोई टेंशन नहीं है कि हाउ वी मैनेज, बिकॉज वी आर वुमेन्स। अगर ये चीज NPDF में या इंस्पायर फैकल्टी, वहां ये प्रॉब्लम इतनी फेसिस नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी। वहां पर सबको रेगुलरली सब कुछ आ रहा है, जस्ट इन वॉस देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम। So this is my slide.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. And
Sir, I
Hello,
have
hello, hello.
yes, yes, yes.
Can I talk?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
हाँ, सर मेरा नाम स्मृति माने, डॉक्टर स्मृति माने। जैसे सब ने बोला है, पर मैं पॉइंट वाइज आपको प्रॉब्लम्स बता दूं। ये मेरा सेकंड टाइम WOS है। जैसे सबका हुआ है ऐसे ही है कि इस बार का जो WOS है उसमें आपने जब प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट किया है तब से लेके आपको फर्स्ट सैंक्शन मिलने में कम से कम 2 या 3 साल गए हैं, मे बी ड्यू टू द कोरोना एंड ऑल दैट। सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट इशू, दैट इस बार का सैंक्शन ही लेट आया। द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम इज कि पिछले 8 या 10 महीने से सेकंड इंस्टॉलमेंट नहीं आई। द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम इज कि इस बार का, इस टाइम के WOS का 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट खोलने के लिए बोला गया है। नाउ व्हाट इज अ 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट? कि 31 मार्च को हमारा बैलेंस ऑटोमेटिकली 0 होने वाला है, जो फंड्स उन्होंने हमें दिए हैं। दिस इज अ मीनिंग। अब अगर उन्होंने हमारे फंड्स, अगर बच्चा भी है तो भी वो विड्रॉ करके ले लिए हैं, इट इज अ 0 बैलेंस। नाउ दे आर आस्किंग अस कि आप भारत कोष में पैसा जमा करो, जो आपके पास थोड़ा बहुत बचा है, शायद से रिकरिंग नॉन रिकरिंग जो भी है। अब हम जमा ही नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि वो, उसका नाम ही 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट है, उसमें बैलेंस ही नहीं है। तो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट बोलते हैं कि मैडम हम आपको वापस देंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये बैलेंस ही 0 है, आपके अकाउंट में पैसा नहीं तो किधर से देंगे। उधर से DST बोलती है आप हमें अनस्पेंड बैलेंस इधर दे दो भारत कोष में, तभी हम आपका आगे लेके जाएंगे। अब इसमें हमने इतने सारे मेल किए, CNC TDB जो भी है, फिर कोई तो बोलता है कि हाँ हाँ आपके पैसे है ही नहीं। तो एटलीस्ट उन्होंने टेक्निकली खुद के आई कैन से कंफर्ट के लिए बनाया कि 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट रहे, तो एटलीस्ट उनको हमें मेल करते वक्त मालूम होना चाहिए कि ये 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट है ना, इसमें वापस नहीं आएगा पैसा भारत कोष में।
सॉरी टू
ये
इंटरप्ट मैम, बट 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट का मतलब ये जो है ना, आप बोल रहे हो आपका जो FO है, फाइनेंस जो ऑफिसर है ना, वो आपको एक रिसिप्ट देते हैं। भारत कोष में अगर पैसा नहीं जाता है ना, तो PFMS में से कितने तारीख को कितने बजे कितना पैसा ऑटोमेटिक डिडक्ट हुआ है, इसका एक रिसिप्ट, मेरे साथ ये हुआ है। तो हमारे
मैं
FO
वही
ने
बोल रही हूँ,
FO ने
लिसन, मेरा वही कहना है कि देखो आपके इंस्टीट्यूट ने ये किया, अब जो भी करना है ना वो DST बोल दे कि इस साल हमने 0 बैलेंस अकाउंट नाम का कुछ चीज किया है, ये प्रोसीजर है। व्हाट आई मीन, आप सबको एक मेल से प्रोसीजर बोल दो, ताकि देखो जैसे ये मैडम बोल रही है हमारा FAO मालूम नहीं है इसको, तो उन्होंने अगर अकाउंट की प्रोसीजर बदली है तो वो मेल से हमें कम्युनिकेट करे।
Sorry
थर्ड
to
थिंग,
interrupt you, ma'am. There is a problem with Kashmir University as well. What they have communicated us that there is a problem in Bharat Kosh itself. There is not any option through which we can refund the fund. Dr. Smriti is right. So there is not any option through which we can refund the amount so that we can
Yes.
get the Bharat Kosh
actually
itself.
amount get deducted on 31st March itself, and
Yes.
in PFMS if we put code 1817 we get a receipt. That receipt we can print. Our
वही मैं
FO
बोल
has
रही हूँ,
given me
there is no way we can
लिसन,
send
वही
the
मैं
money
बोल
back.
रही हूँ कि ये जो है ना मैडम आपके PFMS का कोड वगैरह, ये मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कि उनका अकाउंट मींस DST का अकाउंटेंट और हमारी इंस्टीट्यूट का अकाउंटेंट को मालूम होना चाहिए। मैं रिसर्च छोड़ के मेरा
Dr. Smriti, just want to let know. Actually, the problem is that there should be the uniformity in all institutes.
yes
sir.
The
Yes.
DST
प्रोसीजर है,
implementing
हाँ, आपने कुछ अलग किया है इस बार, जीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट नाम की चीज, तो आपको मालूम है प्रोसीजर क्या है, उसको टाइप करो स्टेप वाइज, पहला ये, दूसरा ये, तीसरा ये, चौथा ये, वो प्रिंट हमें दे दो, हम अपने अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट को दे देंगे। इधर क्या हो रहा है, हम 5 महीने उसके पीछे घूम रहे हैं, भारत कोष, फिर पता चलता है भारत कोष नहीं, फिर पता चलता है ये, तो वी आर वेस्टिंग अवर टाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ अ रिसर्च, वी आर इनटू द अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट राइट नाउ। तो सेकंड पॉइंट ये था, तो पहले फंड्स नहीं मिला, दूसरा सेकंड पॉइंट। नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज, जैसे सबने बोला है, बीइंग अ लेडीज हमारा जीरो बैलेंस है, बाकी के जो डीएसपी प्रोजेक्ट है उन सब की फेलोशिप मिल रही है। दिस इज नॉट ए जस्टिस। मैं जब पहली बार WS थी 2017 में, तब वुमेन साइंटिस्ट का जो बेसिक मोटो था वो ये था कि जो वुमन स्ट्रीमलाइन में नहीं आ पा रही है, मे बी कुछ फैमिली इश्यूज है, लाइक ट्रांसफर हुई है, विडो है, घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक केस है उसको ज्यादा सपोर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, तो उल्टा हो रहा है ना कि प्रॉब्लमेटिक केसेस को आपने बांध के रखा, आपने पहले ईयर का प्रोजेक्ट दे दिया, सेकंड ईयर आप पैसा नहीं दे रहे, तो देयर आर सम केसेस विच आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम एंड जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम कि उनको सैलरी चाहिए महीने की। वंस आपने किसी को प्रोजेक्ट दिया है तो 3 साल का उसका बजट आपने बाजू रखना चाहिए, या तो दो ही मत, शुरू में ही मत दो, पर दिया तो एटलीस्ट 3 साल का उसका जितना आपको देना है उतना डीएसपी ने बाजू में रखना चाहिए। This is what I feel. That's it.
Even just 1 minute. Even we already demanded before previously also who are joining any project like the women scientist PhD program. If they are pursuing their research, then the government and funding agency should block the fund for the particular tenure.
या ताकि ये सुनना ना पड़े कि आप फंड नहीं, क्योंकि हमारा क्या हुआ, हम अब बंद गए, हम उधर सेकंड ईयर में हैं।
Right.
हाँ, तो
Okay,
देखिए
thank
मेरे
you.
भी
And
तो
another one want to speak something. Thank you. Don't mind, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Can I speak?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Kalpana Kaushik from National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology, Bangalore. Actually, same problem I faced during my PhD also. 1 year I did not get my fellowship, and again when I joined, like recently I got selected for a PDF. In September I got my result. I had applied in this year March only, accepted in August, and result declared in September. And I'm waiting for my sanction order. Mine is not that much delayed, but still situation is very frustrating because I'm in that group, WS group. And what I am seeing, like, instead of research, we are discussing always about fund. Okay, so in this condition, how we can pursue, how we can do good quality of research in this financial pressure? So that is my concern. Government, at least they should listen to us. They are not at all, because many time I have seen that during my PhD time also we have protested a lot, and after that also they did not took action in that way. So that's why my concern is that, like, if they can't disburse the fellowship, they should not open these kind of program like WS and these things only for namesake. What I feel they are doing
Okay, thank
this,
you.
so that
And the
is not
Dr.
right,
S.
sir.
Parveen.
So yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Shall I talk, sir?
Yeah, definitely. But
Actually,
please keep in mind in a brief, because we have the limited
yes.
time for the meeting. So
Actually,
we need to discuss
I
also.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree with everyone, but I want to tell only one thing, sir. So, like some ladies like me, they want salary monthly, at least, because we have lots of other commitments. ये हम salary के लिए हम करते हैं. अभी research के लिए हम we can't concentrate on research because first zero balance account के पीछे भागना पड़ा हमारे finance department में, किसी को कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, and I had to work on that. अभी इसके पीछे भी भागना पड़ा, अभी salary भी नहीं मिल रहा है, तो हमारा family भी issues होता है. Like I'm telling, like हमें salary की भी जरूरत है, sir. Like it is, we are facing a pathetic condition now at home also. अगर आपको देना, ये इतना प्रेस्टिजियस ये है वुमेन साइंटिस्ट का, लेकिन हमारा कंडीशन बहुत बुरा है. I had called them and I had told them also, but still हमेशा बोलते हैं कि 2 दिन वेट करो, 2 दिन वेट करो, तुम्हारा नंबर नहीं आया है, कल आएगा, कल आएगा. It's like literally we will cry. I will cry at least, क्योंकि सैलरी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है सर. महीना गुजारना पड़ता है.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I want the salary sir. अभी तो रिसर्च के बारे में सोच ही नहीं पा रही हूँ मैं सेकेंड ईयर में. This is like they have put us in a very bad state.
Yes, ma'am. Another one, please. Please speak. Another one. Anyone left?
Hello.
Yes.
So
Yes,
may
ma'am.
I speak?
Yes. Yes.
So I have few concerns. First of all, like हमारा fellowship already NPDF वगैरह से कम है. So I asked this question to like Vandana ma'am. They said like ये just to save you people from income tax and all that आपका ये fellowship कम है. क्योंकि वहाँ पे बॉयज इंक्लूडेड है शायद इसलिए वहाँ पर एनपीडीएफ का फेलोशिप ज्यादा है. और दिस इज नॉट इक्वालिटी दैट वी पीपल ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट बट इट्स नॉट इन प्रैक्टिस. सेकेंडली हमारे जो फंड्स है वो टाइमली डिसबर्स नहीं होते हैं. एंड रिसेंटली मैंने बात की थी टीएसटी में एट द टीडीबी. दे सेड कि सीएनए अकाउंट में पैसे ही नहीं है एंड वी आर ऑल्सो वेटिंग फॉर द फंड्स. तो फिर मैंने को ये भी बोला हुआ है कि अगर हमारे फेलोशिप 3 इयर्स का है, सपोज दैट एवरीबॉडी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट कि हमारा 3 इयर्स का फेलोशिप है, तो दे आस्क्ड एंड रिसेंटली आई हैड गॉन थ्रू दैट पीएससी ऑफ अ बाय प्रोजेक्ट. दे वर आस्किंग लाइक इनिशियली दे सेड कि आप फंड्स की कोई बात मत करिए एंड शो अस द रिजल्ट्स. विदाउट फंड्स like जैसे अर्थ साइंसेस में तो विदाउट फील्ड वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. वी हैव टू परचेज केमिकल्स एंड वी हैव टू हायर समबडी टू नो जस्ट स्पीड अप द वर्क लाइक सम डेली वेजेस समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो दे आर आस्किंग कि आप रिजल्ट दिखाइए. अगर इस साल वो मार्च के पहले पैसा दे भी देते हैं, so like everybody said कि they will suck the money on like 31st of March. Then again they will take the same time and the tenure is only 3 years. And the next they will call us for the final submission of the project. How come we will complete the project? How come we will do the results and all those kind of things? So if somebody is putting up the things to them, then let them like I do speak to some of the like chairman Ahima ma'am and to other members of the VOSA, and I told them ki either increase our fellowship, tenure also we need to increase it, बिकॉज 3 साल में तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला हमारा. 3 साल आप फंड भी नहीं दे रहे हो, तो 5 years का मैं प्रोजेक्ट, ये हमारा 3 years का है, इट शुड बी एटलीस्ट 5 years विद फेलोशिप. अगर आप इतना डिलेड फेलोशिप दे रहे हो, बट देयर इज नो रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम दैट साइड लाइक ओके वी विल सी इट, इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट नो सिंपल one person can do it, it takes a lot of time. These kind of stuffs are coming from them. So not very responsive kind of things. Nobody is responsible for their own stakes. So what to do like now?
Simply, that's why we are here to discuss how can I take the action, how can I approach to our issues to, before the DST and higher authority. That's why we are discussing here. And Shweta, please.
Yeah, sir, I'm Shweta Rajawat from NIT Bhopal. And I have the same concerns, so I won't repeat. I'm just introducing myself. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
If
So
you're
I
speaking
think
for us, then please erase all those concerns. Why our fellowship is not equivalent to that NPDF? And if
yeah,
it's
yeah.
taxable, you will pay it because there's a lot difference between our fellowship and their fellowship, and that tax doesn't comes to the end. If it is taxable, then it is our concern, not their concern. We will pay the tax. We know how we will pay it.
Now how much we are getting the fellowship?
Now it's been revised, so it's 67 plus HRA, and they have 80 plus HRA.
80 plus.
It makes a lot of
85
difference
plus
between us.
HRA.
For PDF, it's 80 plus HRA. For
85 plus NPDF, 85 plus HRA.
85 plus HRA.
Okay.
It's up to
And that's for the-
1.25. And
And
ours
we are
is
not
total
getting equal.
85.
Listen one by one.
And
Somebody want to say
one
something.
more thing, sir, and one more thing, that see, whenever there is a presentation in the department, everyone's department, they show our project on the paper that these many projects are with us. So institute is
Okay.
showing us on a paper, DST is showing on the portal, इतने सारे लोगों को
Okay.
DST दिया, इंस्टीट्यूट दिखाती है हमारे इधर प्रोजेक्ट है, पर जब हमारा
Okay.
वक्त आया है 8 महीने से सैलरी नहीं है, ना तो हमारी इंस्टीट्यूट हमें 1 रुपया दे रही है खुद के पॉकेट से और ना ही
जी।
डीएसटी दे रहा है, तो
And they're
एवरीवन
secondly taking that attendance system is there. Like suppose
हाँ
that
Fine,
somebody is
fine,
not
yes
financially
fine,
sound,
fine.
सर
One,
then how
हाँ
can a
one.
person can come there?
हाँ तो
Yes,
ये भी
doctor.
ये पॉइंट है कि हमें ना ऐसे बोला गया कि इंस्टीट्यूट के सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन अप्लाई करने हैं हम पे, तो क्या होता है
जी।
कि इंस्टीट्यूट इज आस्किंग अस, वो हमसे काम करवा के लेते हैं जबकि सैलरी ना तो डीएसटी दे रहा है, तो बीइंग अ वुमन हमें एनपीडीएफ से पैसा भी कम मिल रहा है, तो हमें एटलीस्ट वर्क फ्रॉम होम, देखिए आप हमारे पब्लिकेशन देख लो, ऑफ कोर्स हमें काम करना ही है, पर हमें फिर थोड़ी सी छूट चाहिए कि हमें वर्क फ्रॉम होम का भी अलाउ होना चाहिए फिर उस केस में, हाउ टू
Okay,
अटेंड
fine.
खुद के पॉकेट से पैसा देके हम उधर जाए, फिर एटलीस्ट वो तो होना चाहिए कि थोड़ा सा वो
जी।
कंसेशन रहे। हाँ
Yeah, Bipin, do you have any question? If you want to ask, please raise your question. Then other can reply. If so, it will be good. I think because you want to say something and you want to some clear about your question.
यस सर, सो चीजें मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आई मीन लिटिल बिट क्लियर हुआ, बट वन थिंग्स है, मैं एवरीवन पर्सन से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, आप सभी आई मीन यू ऑल गाइस अंडरस्टैंड आवर आई मीन लैंग्वेज हिंदी और English. Sorry, maybe some audience have only English background, so I speak in English.
Yeah.
What I request you everybody, please, whatever your concern, email us. And earlier communication with the DST, email us what is the thing previously happened. You guys, because when we raise the concern to the higher authority, I need whole data. I mean, what are the people, number of people, how much time, and what are the things they hamper their research, and what are the current at the time current mental status of these people. So I need everything so that I can present DST person what is thing happening with is this fellowship person. I mean, lot of I know many, I mean, other fellowship also have suffering same kind of things, but I need to present the things to the DST person what is thing happening, and like one person says about the new guideline about the zero balance things, which I mean, which again getting a new kind of challenge toward the understanding of the financial system and bureaucracy with the I mean, which not related to research scholar. So please email us with whole cumulative your events. I mean, hamper things.
Yeah,
Which,
Bipin.
yes, sir.
One, sorry for interrupting you. Just I want to say something, because everybody discuss on their problem and accordingly. So we are requesting, if you draft and question wise, like what is the zero balance, why is not processing, so how can improve this system. So we can, if we will draft the question wise, then it will be the good. Then because the most of the time, because just why I want to inform you everyone, on 6th September we have done the meeting with the DST high authority, and we have discussed a lot, around 1.5 hours, but now they are not doing anything. We also
Actually,
requested
we
several
don't
times,
have
but
much idea about what is the thing happen. I mean,
yeah,
this kind of things is new for us. Zero account, whatever be, and most of the people are suffering for a lot.
yeah.
I mean, long time delay of fellowship, which I mean, I'm really I mean surprised the things what DST governing. I mean, really, I mean, it's pathetic situation. I understand.
Yeah.
But
That's why
so I need
we
the
call
data
a
from all
meeting.
guys. I mean, whatever be your sanction project in your timing, and when they got fund, how much delay. I mean, whole thing, so that I can present cumulative data. These things happen with DST. Improve the whole system. We need whole improvement, not the particular one person. So that's why I need the data on things. So
Right.
please. Please.
right?
Yeah.
Even 1 minute, even if you see on the social media, the DST secretary and some other higher authority always saying, oh, we are we are supporting for the women empowerment, like that. If you like the listen to the UGC secretary chairman, he was always promoting like we are supporting for the women empowerment. But how they are, how they are supporting? I don't understand. If the
Yes, sir.
people are suffering significant
Sir,
challenges in their daily routine research life, then how can say that like?
सर मुझे एक और कैच लग रहा है इसमें।
जी
व्हाट कैच? अगर सपोज मैं किसी एक पर्सन, हम लोग किसी एक पर्सन के लिए बोलते हैं, डेफिनेटली वो फंड रिलीज कर देंगे, बट अदर पर्सन लेफ्ट हो जाए। आई नो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव सेम काइंड ऑफ इशू, सो आई नीड
yes
एटलीस्ट
yes
गुड
problem.
अमाउंट ऑफ पर्सन सो दैट वी कैन रेज कंसर्न एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व everything. I mean every issue, every person issue.
Yes.
For
Even what happened? Suppose few one more lacking with us. Suppose if I'm getting salary, I'm silent. I don't want
yes,
to
sir.
support
Yes,
anyone.
yes.
That is our lacking.
Yes, sir. This is a
In
very bad.
our research, among the research scholar, what's happening? We have lots of experience since 2014. We raised the voice for the hike and fellowship 3 times. And even we get the success when we do the protest before the ministry, before the DST, and so in person. Then they have listened our voice. Still they have revised the 24-25% fellowship. That is another issue. What I want to say, if I am not getting the fellowship, I am facing the significant challenges. But who are getting fellowship? Who are silent? They don't want to come and support. So that's why our request is, who are getting fellowship, they should support to everyone. We will raise the question before the DST. Even some people are saying, oh, we have received the email from the Bandana ma'am. Today we have received also, but why? Just they are sending, oh, the file in process. Means when we are raising the voice, then they are replying. The government should inbuilt their system automatically that if somebody have submit their annual progress report, we don't know how much take time. They don't have any criteria. They don't have any timeline when they will release the fund. So there are lots of lacking in our scientific infrastructure. Even we always raise the question before the every funding agency. So if we are raising the question, then we are requesting to all of you, kindly support us and be clear in your issues. So please draft one letter. We received the several email from the your side, and you have written the so much paragraph. But I request is personally, please draft the one by one, question wise. So we can
Sir, one
put
more thing.
forward.
What I see, the most of the letter, I mean, they are not giving the document what they are facing. I mean, document support on this. I mean, what are the time, tenure of time face, for not getting fund, and what are the challenges? I mean, earlier facing sanction order. They are not supporting document that. So I need whole supporting order so that the looking realistic and how much definitely things are. I mean. What are the real things happen, either paperwork and which side they are affecting, so I need the whole things so that I can
Yeah, right.
present a DST.
Sir, can you just please post the email IDs
Yeah.
to whom should we address the email? So we can mail you one by one and you can get all the data related to all
Yeah,
issues.
even I will share the in your email the Google form, the what question you can, what kind of question you can answer. So
Yes, sir.
if and you should think also what kind of the please specify the problem. Suppose we are discussing, so please draft. And one more thing, as I hope you are all are aware our association, All India Research College Association, why we created this platform, national platform, because when I joined the PhD, I faced same kind of problem in my PhD, and so that's why we thought there's no platform to raise the voice on behalf of research scholar. Even still in India, thousands and lakhs of people are doing the research, but they are not worried about the infrastructure. They are not worried about the scientific curriculum. They are just thinking, oh, if I'm getting the fund, that is fine. If I'm not getting, then I'm feeling the panic, pathetic situation. I'm facing the so many things. So if we will support our association, then definitely we will get success and we will put forward all issues, even your issues. Tomorrow we have the lots of meeting also. Tomorrow, even National Fellowship, OBC, and some other fellowship also, they are facing the problem. So in India, people are, research scholar are facing problem, but higher authority don't care. Even they are saying, we are the brilliant mind. We have captured the secretary position, director general position, but what they are doing in ground level? Nothing, zero. So if we have skills, we have acquired the skills in scientific field, then we should raise the voice soundly and give the proper answer.
So, another thing, what I'm requesting you all guys, you can create either a WhatsApp group or whatever so that you can each one associate with, connected with us. So, and another things, एक आप ऐसा ऐसा ग्रुप को प्लीज ईमेल कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
Sure, sir.
Hello. Thank you for supporting us, sir.
Oh, somebody want to say something? Please
Yeah,
open the.
Sir,
One
I
more thing.
just
अभी
want to.
हम लोग ट्विटर कंटेंट ट्विटर भी करते हैं, सो ट्विटर पे आप लोग प्लीज रिट्वीट कीजिएगा अपने कंसर्न को लेकर. हम
One
ट्विटर
more,
बनाएंगे.
Vipin, one more
Yes.
thing I want to clear. One more thing I want to clear, because
To
everybody,
carriers.
listen to me, everybody is growing face and everybody insecure because everybody is searching the government job, permanent job, private job. So people are thinking, I will raise the voice, my name is before the public forum. Definitely, if you will not raise the voice, then you will suffer. We will suffer. So if who have courage, then speak in public platform like the YouTube and some other. Even we have the so many platform. If the government using, even I every day I'm watching to the DST secretary, we are doing like that, we are doing like that. What you are doing? You are just posting and just praising the government on social media. In the ground level, why we are facing the ground level? So that's our concern. If we will not raise our voice, then definitely we will suffer. That's my concern. Even I'm not authority, but we are willing to put forward your issue before the ministry, before the funding agency. I don't care what they will do with us, but definitely if research scholars are facing the problem, we will raise the issue.
Sir, just one query. Can we join your association? How can we be the members of your association?
Yeah, definitely, because before that we never thought we should make the proper infrastructure and proper, because I was also PhD student, just raised the voice for the hike and fellowship. When I deeply insert in the among the research scholars, I thought the many scholars are facing problem. Then how can pursue our voice before the ministry, before the higher authority? So that's why we created. Now we have make the one website. I will share with you, www.asa.in. Then you
Yeah, I
can
want to
view.
be a member of your association, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I will share the website. Even if you search in the website in Google, and then you can find out www.asa.in. You can review and then you can join us. So
On the
that's why I'm
website
saying,
itself, sir? The joining link is on the website?
yeah, www. I'm just here in airsa.in.
Okay. So on the website itself, we can join. We can be the members.
Yeah, directly. You can visit. We don't want to just automatically, everything is automatic. And
Okay.
even who are willing to work with AIRSA as a leadership, women leadership, most welcome, because somehow we are lacking, because the ministry and everybody is praising. We are supporting women, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, so many things. Even if you heard, if you heard the one fellowship, Savitri Bai Jyotira Phule fellowship, they are
Yes,
also
sir.
suffering. Thousands of girls are suffering for this their
Sir,
fellowship.
it is not available now. In ACP it was सावित्रीबाई फुले ये था फेलोशिप था वो बंद हो गया.
जी जी.
ओनली पेपर
वो
पे
भी
उन्होंने
बंद हो गया.
स्टार्ट किया था, कोई भी अप्लाई नहीं किया उसमें, ओनली पेपर पे
नहीं
उनका था कि ये शुरू हुआ
वो
है।
भी बंद हो गया. और
नहीं उसको
दूसरे
बंद
जो
कर दिया गया, उसको बंद कर दिया गया, क्योंकि अभी बीच में उन्होंने नोटिफिकेशन निकाला था. अभी 2 साल 1 साल से कोई नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया. आई थिंक
एनपीडीएफ का भी सेम है, डीएस कोठारी का भी सेम है सर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
फेलोशिप बंद
बिल्कुल.
हो रहे हैं और फेलोशिप आ नहीं रहे. मतलब इस चक्कर में ये भी फेलोशिप बंद ना हो जाए. मतलब
Hello.
ऑन द वर्ज है.
Yeah, that is our
जी
insecurity before us. Sometimes what happen, we are thinking if we that definitely government is reducing the fund, and they are saying we are doing the innovative research. How
No,
they
sir,
are
research
doing
budget
innovative?
is very less actually. They are not putting budget on research. It's
Because
very less.
they are not
Actually,
giving the priority to research. They are not giving the priority.
सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब, पर सर मैं जब आजू बाजू देखती हूँ तो देखिए दोनों साइड्स है. जैसे कि ये भी दिखाया जाता है कि जैसे एमएससी के बाद ना बच्चों को अगर नौकरी नहीं मिल रही, वो जेआरएफ में
जी
आ जाते हैं. 3-4
जी
साल तक ना लिटरली दे आर डूइंग अ टाइम पास. दे आर नॉट डूइंग अ रिसर्च. वो बाहर ना नौकरी ढूंढते फिरते कि उनका एज है, उनको नौकरी करनी, इट इज ओके. पर होता क्या है कि कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो रिसर्च नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ दे आर मिंटिंग अ मनी. तो थोड़ा सा उनको भी लगेगा ना कि भैया इनको 5-5 साल तक जेआरएफ तो 5 साल मिलती है, उसका एसआरएफ हो जाता है, इसका कुछ पब्लिकेशन नहीं. फिर देखिए प्योर साइंस में तो पब्लिकेशन का भी कुछ फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. पहले बच्चा लिखता है मैंने ये पढ़ा, मैंने वो पढ़ा, मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस में गया, जैसे नौकरी मिली चले गए. क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा कोई थंब रूल भी नहीं किया है कि इतने साल में आपका कुछ नहीं हुआ तो आपकी सैलरी वापस ले लेंगे. तो होता क्या, इधर मेंटर भी रेडी नहीं होता है कि मैं लूंगा ही नहीं किसी को, कि लोग काम नहीं करते, मैं सिर्फ साइन करूंगा, आप काम नहीं करते हो, सिर्फ पैसा ऐंठते हो. थोड़ा लोगों ने भी सोचना चाहिए कि उधर कुछ पॉजिटिव जाए. मैंने वही बोला कि अगर उनको सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया रखना है तो वो भले उसके लिए कुछ
जी.
करे, पर जिनका लिया है ना उनको
Yes,
दे तो दे.
yes,
पॉजिटिव रिपोर्ट है तो
I
हाँ
agree.
हाँ.
हेलो
I agree,
जी
but
सो
I have some comment.
या
Listen to
या
me. Suppose you are saying people are not doing work. Do you know there is some communication between the host institute or funding agency, high authority? Because if PI is hiring to the PhD scholar, either research scholar, then funding agency providing the fund, but there's no communication between the PI and funding agency concerned person. So the funding agency should communicate with the PI, dean, registrar, everyone, and every time they are torching to the scholar directly. So that is the main issue also. Even one more example before us, the CSIR also terminated the 300 research scholar fellowship suddenly. Why? Without any information, without any notification. So many concern. ओके सम पीपल देखो 100 में से 5-10 लोग पक्का है कि ऐसे होंगे जो भी है, टाइम पास नौकरी करना है, सिविल सर्विस की तैयारी करना है, सो मेनी थिंग्स, बट हु आर डेफिनेटली कंसर्न फॉर द रिसर्च and definitely they want to do the innovative research for the welfare of society. Then how can judge the ministry, how can judge the funding agency who are doing the good research, who are not doing? So that's why I'm saying ki who are doing, like we are facing the problem, what we need right now, we need the money, then we can focus toward the research. So if they will maintain the streamline to provide the fund and salary. Definitely few scholar and more than a scholar will do the innovative research.
Yeah, I think, sir, don't need to give a negative angle towards a scholar. The scholar are not doing work. We need to look the broader perspective. Many people are doing work in research, so they got the fellowship regular in time.
Yeah, definitely.
So, yes. So another person, anyone to speak, please speak.
Sir, yeah. Sir, I'm Anas from University of Kashmir and I'm here to represent maximum of my colleagues. तो हमारी बाकी कंसर्न्स तो बिल्कुल सेम ही है, लेकिन मेरी जो 3 कलीग्स है, हमें मिला है अपना सेकेंड ईयर का सैंक्शन ऑर्डर इन मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर, लेकिन दिसंबर तक अभी वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हुआ. तो बाकी सारे कंसर्न्स तो सर सेम है, बट अब मुझे ये जानना है, एक मेरे दिमाग में आया था अबाउट HRA कि कुछ ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जहां पे HRA 18% से 20% हो गया. तो जब मैंने अपना डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा उनको, तो मैंने उनको बोला कि ऐसे 20% हो गया है, एंड आई गेव देम द प्रूफ एंड देन दे टोल्ड अस कि उसमें ऑफिस कुछ मेमो जो है, मेमो ऑर्डर निकलता है, तो जब आपका DST की तरफ से आएगा तब ही आपको HRA जो है 18% से 20% हो जाएगा. तो ये मुझे जानना था कि सर क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि कैन यू टेक अप दिस मैटर अबाउट द HRA आल्सो विद देम?
If you are thinking, then draft. That's why we are concerned. Who are facing the problem is specific issue. Please draft in proper way. The write the question, what is the my problem? Like the HRA. And please search the reference also. Because we are doing the science, we need who are just like the NPDF fellowship, they are getting the fellowship 85 plus HRA. Then we can give the reference. Why we are not equal them? So if you are who are thinking any question, please draft in short note. Because if you want to give the media also want to know the proper problem.
Yeah, reference.
Even in the next, suppose I just want to inform you, if you heard the Professor V. Ram Gopal, before he was the director of IIT Delhi, we are conducting his talk on 21st December. He will talk also the same issue, same kind of how can create the healthy environment among the research scholar across the country. So definitely you draft every problem in a specific way and try to collect the reference also. So it will be good for us. We can put forward our issue before the fund agency and before the ministry.
So one more thing I want to say, like for the second year sanction order, for me, I mean, most of the DST women scientists are facing this issue. They are releasing the less amount. What we have proposed, they are releasing, and for me, they have released 93,000 less. And when I spoke to the DST concerned person, Pawan sir is there. He said, no, you continue your work, all the money will be adjusted later. But then I don't understand whether I should not apply for my area or should I leave the overhead thing. I don't understand from where to adjust. Consumable, they have sanctioned the particular budget. Travel, they have contingency, they have, but then from where it's 1 lakh, almost 1 lakh rupees, they have sanctioned the less amount. So for that also, if you can speak like why they are releasing the less amount, why they are sanctioning the less amount, and that to 1 lakh, okay, fine, 30-40,000 less is we can adjust, but 1 lakh कहाँ से हम adjust करेंगे sir?
Sure.
Sir, actually, can I speak, sir? 2 points I want to say.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yes,
just
yes.
now what Gayatri said, actually they don't send contingency consumable in the first and second year properly. They send only half the amount, or sometimes for me, they have not sent at all the consumable amount. It was very small, but they had not sent. So it is only adjusted in the final. Now, my first project, I got my sanction order 1 year after the project got over. So last November it got over and now it has come. The money has come now in December. So that amount, remaining amount was all only contingency and consumable, and all my bills are post dated. So I don't know how things will be settled. I have submitted all the bills on time, but then they have to do something. I mean, they have to post dated bills, how they will do the settlement and all, I don't know. And another one thing I want to say, that during my second project, Wise PDF, there were around 65 candidates, and out of that 16 were selected. And in that, only 10, first 11 have got 11 or 12 people have got the sanction order. I mean, randomly they are releasing the sanction order. So in the group there are few who have got, and few of us have not yet got the sanction order, and it has been 6 months, as I told before. So if they are releasing for one particular subject, at least they should be coherent, na? Otherwise how things will work? I mean, and there should be only one, at least one email they should send from their end that we are releasing. And one more thing, very surprising, that they have not yet put the result of our the result of our interview on the website. Still there is nothing is reflected about our result. We saw it only on x.com. So it is on Twitter, but it's not on the website. So at least timely they should put the result. It's still, if you go and see on the website, June results are not declared. So it's very surprising. So communication is online. I mean, we can only send mails, and that is the only proof that we can say that, okay, we have communicated with you. So that is why I always number the reminders, 8 reminder, 9 reminder, number 9, and so on.
Because the funding agency, authority, higher authority, and employee, they are thinking they know everything, but they don't want to discuss us.
And at least they should have some timeline. 3 months is also fine. And if they are not releasing, they should give us the reason. I mean, if one of the person said there is no funds, I mean, I am very shocked.
Yeah,
that
one more thing. Even I faced the problem because I was getting the fellowship from ICMR. Then I have submitted my report, and then I wait around the 3 months. Then I have asked the question, I already submit my report before 3 months, then why you are not releasing my fund? Then they have said कि मैंने उनसे question पूछा कि is there any timeline to evaluate my research? And you should read our guideline, and we have mentioned, but there's no time limit. कि at least 3 months is fine. Okay, बहुत सारे स्कॉलर हैं, PhD कर रहे हैं, रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, साइंटिस्ट हैं, सब उनकी रिपोर्ट जाती है, उनको एवोल्यूट करने में टाइम लगता है, but they should define a timeline, and they should even they should maintain the portal also.
Actually, sir, first of all, they should not keep this throughout the year, and it becomes boundless. At least there should be a cycle of 6 months or 3 months. Then everything will be like NPDF thing. They have a cycle. So once in a year, if they keep, then things will be more channelized, because it's infinite amount they are taking. So they don't have timeline. We also don't have timeline. So it becomes a burden on both ends. I mean, we are much more burdened then. We can't decide that what we should do then.
सर वो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं,
एक्चुअली होता
सर वो
क्या
ऐसा
है,
भी कर सकते हैं ना, डायरेक्टली हम लोगों को जैसे CSIR सैलरी देता है, मंथली सैलरी दो, एक साथ फंड्स नहीं है ना फेलोशिप के लिए, एक साथ फंड्स मत दो। और जो भी फंड्स है, आप कंज्यूमेबल्स कंटीजेंसी है ना, वो आप
प्रियंका, वी डॉक्टर प्रियंका, हमने खुद ये प्रपोज रखा है कि जैसे कि गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय, उसको हर महीने सैलरी मिलती है. Don't send the money like the 6 month, 1 year. Just provide the salary every month. And
और सर उसमें क्या होता है, हमारा भी है ना, पाव पड़ते हैं हम लोग फाइनेंस के, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के, उसमें भी हमारा एनर्जी जाता है.
They don't this university people, when you ask about the fellowship, अरे अभी तो टाइम निकल गया है, for this month you apply next month, like that also. If they
that's why we don't need such kind of
have fund
infrastructure.
also, then also they don't give, they take that.
No. One more. We are what we are.
Even the problem is, as all are saying that we are getting a less fund. The problem is at the end of the project, if we have a less fund, the mentor is not ready to sign the attendance, because हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में ऐसा है कि mentor ने साइन किया, मुझे मेरी फेलोशिप अगर मिल जाती है तो मेरा अगर माइनस दिखता है कुछ बैलेंस, सपोज 4 लाख 5 लाख का बैलेंस माइनस हो गया, तो इंस्टीट्यूट मेंटर को पकड़ेगी, क्योंकि मैं तो वहां से छूट गई 3 साल बाद। तो मेंटर को बोलते हैं कि देखिए आपके नाम पे माइनस 3 लाख 4 लाख दिख रहा है, वो हमें मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो डीएसटी से कलेक्ट करना है। अब मैंने डीएसटी को बहुत सारे मेल लिखे, पर मेरे पिछले वाले प्रोजेक्ट का पैसा नहीं आया है। मेंटर इज गेटिंग सफरिंग। अब सारे मेंटर क्या कर रहे हैं, जहां तक का पैसा है वहां तक ही हम साइन करेंगे, आगे हम साइन
that is not our part. That is not our part. That's
नहीं
why
नहीं, पैसा इसीलिए ना पूरा आ जाना चाहिए।
That is not our part. Why they are sitting in the funding agency and the host institute? Why what they are doing? They are not doing nothing. They are just entertaining. To the even we have proposed one proposal before the all funding agency. If we are pursuing research, we don't want to go in the finance department, because that is not our part. We should get the fellowship every month.
This is very true. We don't have to follow for fellowship.
Why should I go? Why should I go in the finance department? No need to go.
Exactly.
Sometimes we are into finance instead of
why we are rooming. We are spending lots of time in the finance department.
Yes.
If I am doing the experiment, if I am not getting fellowship, I am moving. I am going the finance department. Why should I go? So that is not way. कि वो ऐसा कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कर रहे हैं. I don't agree. Because I don't want to go in the finance department. I just want to go, stay in my lab only. I want to get my fellowship because I am doing research. So I need to think more. Because why? If you talk to about the abroad, I discuss several scholars, postdocs who are pursuing the research as a scientist. They don't worry about the fellowship. They don't worry about the salary. They are getting the salary every month. They are just focusing only research, only for research. How can
even the sub-institute paying within 40 days? I mean, their paying slot is 14 days.
Yeah, that is a different culture.
I heard some people. I heard some people they are getting every 14 days. They are getting salary.
Yeah, I don't
India,
want to.
1 year.
So listen to me. We have discussed more than 1 hour. We have discussed more than 1 hour. So just we want to wind up. I request to everyone, please draft a letter, your content, specific problem, specific issue, and we will move forward all the problems and issue before the funding agency, and we will try to. We will bring up. Please mute your mic.
And please attach your whatever documents you have, supporting documents. Please attach.
Dr. Pinka, please mute your mic.
Okay, any new things people want to?
Sir, I want to say something.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Shimna Sen from Department of Geology, Delhi University. I've been not receiving my funds, second year grant from last 9 months. You see, sir, we are planning, when we get the funds, we plan according, every month we make a plan and then move in that direction. I have to do my field work. I have to do my chemical analysis. But due to lack of funds, I could not. I got the quotations from National Geophysical Research Institute for analysis. Everything is done. I'm not getting the funds. Then I have funds in the analysis head also. So I am not getting the funds for the analysis. I'm not getting the funds. So I'm in Earth and Atmospheric Sciences. So I go for field work. And that is usually from October to February. Now it is December already. I have not received the funds for field work. So how will I carry out the work? And they expect good publication. I've just completed the midterm review and they want excellent publications. They want excellent work. I mean, we are in so much of stress. It's very difficult to work in such an environment.
Yeah,
When there
yeah,
is
and even we should maintain our mental health also, because the government and some institute, they are running the mental health program, but they are not thinking about the research scholar issue. Just
every
they want.
month ये plans, okay, this month इस paper को कर लेना है, इस month में ये field work कर लेना है, इस month में हमें ये चीज कर लेनी है. They don't understand. They're keeping the funds with themselves, and I have been, sir, really speaking, I have become so discouraging. It was so discouraging. Women scientist, I thought of taking once again, but I am closing this. I mean, after 3 years, I'm not going to do women scientist. They are just, it's an eye wash, simply an eye wash.
Yeah, definitely. If could you understand? If we are facing the problem, can you think कि हम अपने बच्चों को इस रिसर्च में डालना चाहेंगे ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Never.
सर आई ऑल्सो वांट टू से अगर इस तरह सर अगर इतना डिले करेंगे तो nobody will be interested to submit like these projects and want
Yes,
to do this
even
such type
even
of
who have the innovative idea, they don't want to come in this field.
Sir,
Why?
10 months से
That's
हम
why.
rent to be, we have to pay rent and all, each and everything, each aspect we have to see. तो मेजर इशू सर ये भी है कि सपोज सी इज सेइंग दैट नॉट गेटिंग फंड, वो दिसंबर एंड में हमें मिल भी जाएगा तो टिल 31st of March वी हैव टू रिटर्न ऑल द अनस्पेंट बैलेंस. उसके बाद हम
Actually,
फिर कैसे
प्रॉब्लम पता है कहाँ है? प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि
होगा.
वो आपके फंड से ही, आपका फंड से ही सब कुछ जनरेट करना चाहते हैं.
Sir,
सपोज करो आपका 1 साल तक होल्ड कर दिया, दे हैव होल्ड द योर फंड इन द
That
बैंक.
means this government is not interested in research. This
मे भी इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा होगा एंड आई कुड फील.
नहीं, आई थिंक
Yeah,
ये
Sir,
मोस्टली ब्यूरोक्रेसी का इशू है. ब्यूरोक्रेसी, आई मीन, ये बहुत गंदा कर रहे हैं. ब्यूरोक्रेसी का मेजर इशू है.
sir, I have one query, sir.
ये भी कि फाइनेंशियल जो ईयर है 31st of March, तो तब ये सारा फिर से लॉक कर देंगे. जितना मिल गया, फील्ड जाओ न जाओ.
Yes. Sorry for interrupting you all, because we have done the discussion already.
Sir, I have a new query, sir. Can I please ask? Sir, I'm waiting since 9 months. I know like everybody is facing really tough time, mental peace, everything is gone, sir. But I have genuinely one colleague whose name I don't want to mention. She finished her PhD. She's waiting since so many months for the funds. So finally, she is asking me like, can she quit? So will be any problem, sir, if she quits, like, once? Or is there anything like we have to continue for 3 years only because of the funding issue, sir? Completely because of funding issue. She's like, I want to take a permanent job.
If you have the question, then definitely we can ask the question. We can ask the question ki what the criteria if you want, if anybody want to quit in during the.
Yeah, because of funding reasons, sir. This is the only reason she wants to give.
I want to speak this issue. I have similar kind of issue with earlier institution. So I resigned my position after a year. I mean, more than a year. I am getting my fund. I mean, left funded. I mean, whatever fellowship amount, approximately
Yes, sir.
5 months. So I am getting that. So you resign your resignation. What I suggest you resign on the date, which date you want to select from resignation date, and submit their authority. Afterwards, once fund are getting, you they posting their your resignation due to lack of fund. You need to resign your position. Afterwards, funding agency will pay. Funding agency pay the things. What
सर हमारे प्रेजेंस में हमारी सैलरी टाइम पे नहीं होती है.
This is for my friend. Actually, she finished recently PhD. So she's looking for she's a doctor actually, dentist. So she's looking for a job. So she told me this, but will they pay her, sir, if she quit like that?
नहीं सी अगर आप प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट करते हैं तो मिलेगा फंड. बिकॉज मुझे मिला हुआ है. एंड मैं बताऊं, मेरे साथ भी ऐसे 3-4 बार हो चुका है. मैं डिफरेंट फंड में रहा हूँ. एक बार 5 मंथ का होता, मैं जेएनयू छोड़ा था. आफ्टरवर्ड्स डीबीटी मुझे 11 मंथ का मेरा फंड रुका हुआ था. मिला, मुझे एवरीथिंग मिला है. आपको प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रेडी रखना है, डॉक्यूमेंट करना है कि किस डेट आपने रिजाइन किया. आपने प्रॉपर उनसे रिसीविंग लेंगे, एवरीथिंग आपको पास रहेगा.
मेल भेजना है सर इन लोगों को, डीएसटी को.
नो आपको पीआई को, कंसर्न पीआई को भेजेंगे. पीआई आपको फॉरवर्ड करेगा.
नहीं, वुमेन साइंटिस्ट में वुमेन साइंटिस्ट ही पीआई है ना सर.
ओके, सो आपको फंडिंग एजेंसी को लिखना होगा. आई थिंक लिखना होगा. मुझे इसका मच आइडिया नहीं है, सॉरी. बिकॉज मुझे वुमेन साइंटिस्ट का
बट
बट
पैसा
रूल ये
देते हैं
कहता
वो
है
लोग जो भी
या रूल
बाकी है
मैम
देते हैं।
लिसन लिसन रूल का ना रूल ये है आपने जितना काम किया आपको पे मिलना चाहिए।
हाँ,
अगर नहीं
मिलना
मिलता
चाहिए।
डेफिनेटली कंसर्न है, हम अगेन
हाँ,
ऐसा के थ्रू आपका वॉइस
ओके।
उठाएंगे।
हाँ हाँ, बट
हम
ये लोग ऐसा नहीं
ये
करेंगे ना, 3 साल ही करना था वो ये वो
वो नहीं
वगैरह
मतलब है,
सब नहीं ना,
आपने फंड नहीं हुआ,
बिकॉज
आप
वो
कौन
बेचारी
आपको
घर में बैठी है अभी, पूरा
यस
पीएचडी
यस
भी
आप
हो
उसको
गया।
लाइफ आप उसको जिंदा रखोगे, मैं ये
हाँ,
कंसर्न रखूंगा डेफिनेटली। ये
ओके सर, ये
मैटर
आप
लीगल
पूछिए
मैटर हो
क्योंकि
जाएगा।
फंडिंग की वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है कि लोग
मैम ये
परमानेंट जॉब के लिए
मैम
जा रहे
ये
हैं।
लीगल मैटर है, ये लीगल मैटर
हाँ,
है। अगर इसको डिनाई करते हैं लेबर कमीशन जाएगा मैटर।
ओके ओके,
ये
तो मिलना
लीगल
चाहिए
मैटर है,
मतलब,
आप किसी का लाइफ
जितना
नहीं छीन
काम किया
सकते।
है मिलना चाहिए।
यस यस
हाँ,
आप ये लाइफ को छीन नहीं सकते आप किसी से। मैं तो स्टार्टिंग से शुरू से मेरा ये
हाँ
मटेरियल
बिपिन,
है, ये राइट टू लाइवहुड
बिपिन,
हमारा फंडामेंटल
यस
राइट्स है।
यस,
बिपिन, टाइम
एग्जैक्टली।
इट्स टाइम इज
मैं
ओवर
एक्चुअली इस
बिकॉज
बारे में कॉल की थी, एक्चुअली मैं नाम लेना नहीं चाह रही हूँ, लैंडलाइन में कॉल की थी, तो मैंने बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा मेरा फ्रेंड का सिचुएशन है सर, वो डिप्रेशन में है, तो उन्होंने बोला नहीं तो हम उसको मोटिवेट करेंगे, छोड़ो मत बोलो, ऐसे सब बोला उन्होंने। तो मैंने फिर कुछ भी बात नहीं की इस बारे में।
ओके ओके फाइन फाइन, जो
By
whatever
this
issue
episode,
please
Anandan
email
Mala.
us,
हम्म,
whatever
गुड
issue
इवनिंग सर।
whatever issue please email us in
यस सर, यस सर।
SIT, and
सर
because
सर
we
मैं
already
डॉक्टर
discussed the
फिरदौस,
1 2 hour 1.5
एक्सक्यूज मी
an
सर।
hour. No, no, listen to me first please, because we already going the one more than 1 hour. We have some it will be over the time for the meeting, so we would like to wind up, and who have some query please, who want to say something please say in brief word, because the meeting will be finished automatically if we will not discuss the in the end point. So please.
ओके,
इवन
कैन
सर
आई
चैट
सर?
ग्रुप में हम कर सकते हैं, चैट ग्रुप में कर सकते हैं। Create-
सर आई एम डॉक्टर फिरदौस फ्रॉम जामिया मिल्ला इस्लामिया। सर मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर रिवाइज पीडीएफ में मेरा अप्रूवल लेटर जनवरी में मिला है, तो उसके बाद मैंने मेल्स कर करके सैंक्शन ऑर्डर आ गया, लेकिन सर अभी तक फंड्स नहीं आए।
The same issue with
यस
everyone, most of the common issue.
यस सर, इससे पहले मैं पोस्ट डॉक कर रही थी बाहर मलेशिया, कभी मुझे ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इंडिया आके मैं आप पछता रही हूँ कि मैं क्यों वापस आई।
तो ये यही तो बात हो रही थी, जो बाहर का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज वेरी टोटली डिफरेंट।
जी सर।
सो हु
तो
द
सर पूरी
सेक्रेटरी,
मेरी एनर्जी जो थी रिसर्च में, अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मतलब मैं अब काम को प्रोसीड कर पाऊं या नहीं, कि इतना मुझे मतलब वो वाइब्स आ रहे हैं, नेगेटिव वाइब्स यहाँ आके। तो सर इतना डिले क्यों हो रहा है? अगर जनवरी में अप्रूवल है, अब तो दिसंबर आने वाला है, अभी तक फंड्स नहीं आए।
definitely we are concerned for this, even so many scholars are facing the same issue,
बहन
same
जी सबका भी
every.
यही चल रहा है, 11 महीने 12 महीने सबका यही इश्यूज है अभी।
Okay, no problem, no problem. We will try our best, and we will communicate with the DST secretary, and especially the who are the concerned person who is looking the women scientist program. Even Bandana ma'am, I think today they have
So please put this point also, they don't
Yeah,
respond to the mails.
actually sir, Vandana
Yeah,
ma'am has
exactly.
mailed
She
Sir,
is
I
today.
not
just want to
responding.
add one more point. Response
Sir,
from
myself
that
Akshaya.
mail, they should reply. They don't do that, even a simple mail. We ask, keep on asking. They don't even reply a single mail.
Yes, she replied today. She replied today to us, and she
You
saying,
should reply every
Today
single.
she replied, sir. Many people are updating in
We
WhatsApp
also
group
got mail around
that she
5:50.
has
yeah,
replied
because
today. Some has got the funds, I think,
Fund.
because it's mentioned
And
like
sir, the
Dear
reply
PI,
from Bandana ma'am
it
also
is
different
assigned
for
to your
different
institute.
people.
Some
That is
got,
the
I
no,
think,
problem.
no,
today.
that is fine. That is fine. One more thing, whatever, because that is not fund issue. So many issues like the zero balance, some other issue. So we should
Lack
not
of
Sir,
happy.
one
lack
issue
of
I have to raise,
communication
sir,
is
is
also an important issue in, I
replying.
think,
No one has mentioned about it. My project I have taken. Excuse me, sir. Shall I? Can I?
Yeah, Akshay,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. Sir, my PhD I have done with WSB, WSB, and now I have applied for Vice PDF also. But my WSB project, it entered in January 2022. but my final project completion report and final presentation has happened 2024 June, I think April, and after that I don't know whether it is closed or not. In the website it is written like it is ongoing, and now I got the approval for the next project also, but still I don't know whether that project is completed or not. No such information like any certification or something like that I completed, nothing like that is also not mentioned. So how could, and my previous institute is asking that I have to complete this project, and what is the status of this thing. I have mailed several times and I don't get any reply from them. So they are telling, they have asked me for some TDB and bank receipt or something, ban mandate and all. I have sent all those things, and my project completion was also in project report. Everything has submitted, and presentation is also over. But still, I don't know whether it is completed or not.
Okay,
That's
okay, fine,
the
fine, fine.
condition.
Fine, thank you so much. And everybody have shared their problem, and definitely we will raise our question, our issues, what we are facing the problem in our daily routine research life, and how can do the innovative research. If we are getting the salary every month, then definitely we can focus toward the research. So everybody, we are requesting again, please, we have discussed lots of issue, and some remaining person who couldn't discuss, so please draft the email, and everybody should draft their problems in a specific way, so we can specify the concern issue. Suppose if the DST concern person asking what kind of the problem they are facing, then we can give the answer, we can reply to them why you are not implementing those things with the immediate effect. So that is our, so we are trying to wind up, because even we are requesting to everyone, you are connected more than 100 women scientists, you can say also, inform to them also, please, or even who want to speak to support the women empowerment, please come on media, please come in YouTube, AIRSA YouTube. We have the lots of media, we have connection with the media person. They are always asking what the women scientists are facing the problem. Then you can speak before them also. So if definitely we will raise our question, we will raise our voice, the government funding agency, they should have to listen us. Otherwise, why they are sitting there? They are just doing the psychophancy of government. They are just government, like this, who is the party, I don't want to discuss. If they have captured the position, they have got the position in higher level, they should maintain, they should make the good infrastructure, so people can do the research in easily way. Even we are requesting to all host institute, higher authority and the PIs, please create the healthy and prosperous environment, then we can do the innovative research. Otherwise, in such kind of environment, I don't think people are thinking only for personal level, only for the how can get the salary. Definitely finances matter for the personal life and as well professional.
Sir,
So
can we
thank
be the
you.
part of delegate when you're meeting DST people?
Yeah, definitely I will inform you, but
Okay.
everybody can't join the meeting.
Okay, fine. Some of us, sir,
And
just representative of DST women
yeah,
scientists.
because even they are thinking they know everything higher authority, because before 6th of September we have done the meeting with the higher authority, DST, the higher authority. We have raised your voice also. They are saying everything is running smoothly. How can say like that? So that's why I'm saying, because one example I want to give here, one person is doing PhD from IIT Jodhpur. Then what happened? He sent the email to us. I'm not getting the fund last one year from the DST Inspire Fellowship. Then we have discussed with the, I think Namita, there's some name, Dr. Professor Namita. Then at the moment in the meeting, I have showed the email. She was shocked. Then suddenly he take the initiation and she has transferred his fund. So why such? Because he was saying, oh, if I will not get fund, I'm going to suicide. Such kind of mind working in our scientific field. So could you think how the people are facing the significant challenges in daily routine research life? So that's why I'm focusing. How can we improve our scientific infrastructure? We want to discuss, so we need the several questions so we can put forward before the fund agency higher thought.
Yes, sir.
So Bipin, I think we
I
should
think, sir,
wind up.
yes, sir. Just wrap कर दिए. एक
So
बात-
thank you everyone and most
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Who want to join our organization as a leader, women leader, as a participant, as a member? So you can visit our website IRSA, www.irsa.in, and we are 100% try. We will try 100% our best. Even it's our face. If we will raise the question, definitely they have to listen us.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
सर एक चैट ग्रुप बना दीजिए कुछ व्हाट्सएप सो दैट
Right.
हमें ट्विटर कैंपेन के लिए इजी हो जाएगा.
Right, sir.
So-
Right, sir.
So
Okay, I will send the
आप-
email. I will send the email. Okay.
यस सर. तो हमारे लिए इजी हो जाएगा सो दैट सर ट्विटर कैंपेन के लिए फ्यूचर में हमारे लिए इजी होगा, है ना, कम्युनिकेशन करना. बिकॉज हमारे पास डेटा नहीं है तो हम फंडिंग ऐसे सामने ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं.
Yeah. So we should use our skills. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good night.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
Sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
मैं तो देख नहीं रहा हूँ इन्होंने ना यहाँ ये बताओ मेरे को कहाँ से ली है बस फिर आपकी आपको दे दूँ मना थोड़ी करेगी नामी दे देती है ना नामी ने मना थोड़ी करना है बट ये बता दो कि आपने लिए कहाँ से मम्मा के बारे से लिए तो फिर क्यों नहीं बोला कि मैंने पापा
मम्मा का भी तो आपका ही मनी है
पापा के बारे से लिए किसके नानी के बारे से